Welcome to the top IT consulting company in Lehigh Acres, where expert IT solutions for homes and businesses are just a call away. Needed support? We come to you. Whether at your home or office, our on-site IT services ensure convenience and efficiency. From computer repairs to network setup, our comprehensive IT consulting services in Lehigh Acres have you covered. Why choose us? We offer fast, reliable solutions, experienced IT professionals, and affordable pricing tailored to your needs. Facing computer issues at home? We fix slow computers, software errors, and internet problems quickly and efficiently. As a trusted IT consulting service in Lehigh Acres, we help small businesses optimize networks, enhance security, and boost productivity. We provide hardware upgrades, software installations, virus removal, and complete system troubleshooting for all your IT needs. Our team of IT consulting professionals in Lehigh Acres has years of experience solving IT issues big and small. We believe in providing professional IT support at competitive prices. Quality service doesn't have to break the bank. Customer satisfaction is our priority. We're dedicated to delivering dependable, on-site IT solutions you can count on. Don't let issues slow you down. Call us at 239-421-8187 to schedule your consultation now.